After Duterte's arrest, ano po ang asahan dun sa procedure ng ICC, sir?
Now that he is in The Hague, turned over to the International Criminal Court, he is now in detention. There's a two-step process. The first step is basically he will face the charges. Inano ka, dinala ka sa fiscal, di ba? Prosecutor.
Apa.
Sasabihin ito ang charges against you, itong complaint against you. Anong sagot mo? So parang magka-counter affidavit siya ngayon. Ito yung sagot ko, hindi ko ginawa yan It will then be decided by, tawag ito pre-trial chamber. Hindi pa ito yung trial Tatong judges from the International Criminal Court will decide that he will now be the accused. Most likely that will happen kasi they will not have issued an arrest warrant. Di ba? Kung they didn't have enough evidence against him, di ba? They will raise jurisdiction issues. That's what they will do. Walang jurisdiction ng International Criminal Court kasi di na tayo member ng court, all of those things. No? But I think those has already been resolved. If walang jurisdiction or hindi admissible yung case na ito, the ICC would not have issued an arrest warrant, di ba? So, i-trial na siya. Mag-arraignment na siya. Sabi niya, I'm not guilty or I'm guilty, di ba? I assume he will plead not guilty. So, magta-trial na. Maraming nagtatanong, pwede ba siyang mabail? Well, he has to show na pwede siyang mabail, pero hindi siya pwedeng umalis ng Netherlands. Yun yung condition ng kanyang bail, no? If papayagan siya mag-bail. I don't really know kasi baka sasabihin din, well, you know, you were given a chance to come here on your own. You did not. Diba? We had to arrest you. Why will we give you bail? Okay? And then trial. And trial is anywhere from 5 to 7 years, to 5 to 10 years. Iba-ibang trial, depende sa complication ng case, complicated case, evidence, at lahat, di ba? And then if he is found innocent, acquitted, uwi na siya sa Pilipinas. And sa Pilipinas, pwede na naman siya mag-face ng charges dito. Kasi marami na naghihintay ng charges sa kanya. Lalo na mga crimes committed after 2019. Kasi yung mga pinatay after 2019, hindi na yung covered sa ICC. Di ba? Right. So dito din, marami din siyang charges waiting for him here. Kung convicted siya, then dun siya mapipreso ulit. Di ba? May prison yung ICC for the convicted criminals. May detention facilities.